In a recent blog post about the matchmaking rating, or the MMR, Blizzard explained that this MMR is a numerical value that describes how good we are at the game, and it is used to find you some teammates and an opposing team. Now this rating will be changed by you winning or losing games, and in case you haven't played Overwatch in a while, your MMR will be adjusted according to a formula. However, your MMR might also shift because of changes in the community. A whole lot of people joining, a whole lot of people leaving, the community getting better or the community getting worse. In other words, your MMR is always in flux.